Hey, am I talking to service?
He calling service right now. He ain't playing.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
All right. So you know where Top Water Grill is? Meet us at Top Water. Do you know where it's at? No. Top Water is at the end. It's at the end of San Leon. So he don't know where the hell he's going. I sent him the GPS coordinates, San Leon. Give it a little more, Goose. Just a little more. There you go. It's sliding back. Cut it off. These two calling me. They're like, where'd y'all go? Y'all gonna get lost out there.
Yeah. All you gotta do is turn around and go back the other way.
Shit. When you're like looping around, looping around, looping around. Yeah, y'all wanna, oh, what happened?
Were y'all behind us?
Yeah. Y'all,
we saw him on his jet ski, and then you like disappeared out in the clouds.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Y'all gotta be careful. How many are you?
Hot ride!
Oh, somebody get it! Hold on. Shit! I lost. Come on, come over here, Delon, and come get me. Or actually, push it this way. Hey, that thing just went. I shouldn't have let it just go by itself. Oh, shit. All right. Yeah, I'm good. Shit. Sorry. There it is. Got it. Yes, thank you. Got nasty stuff all over me. All right. See now. Look at that. 2, 3. Oh, you want to just lift me up. Are we staying outside or inside? For Top Water. Oh shit, so we can look at that. Where's the girl at? Are you cold out there?
No, not with this.
Yeah, that's good. Your legs though, right? A little bit? Yeah. To Dane. Cheers. A lot better separate. Oh my. Hell no. Don't fall off now. now. Thank you, sir. So the plan is we're gonna go back to the jetty area where they're sat. Look at him. Look at him. See, he's thinking about a Seadoo. He's thinking about a Seadoo. Got lost, sir. Get it?
Is that far enough?
Oh yeah, I think so. Pull your rope before it goes under the dock.
Pull it in! Hey, am I talking to service?
He calling service right now. He ain't playing. Shit, there's a lot of oil up in here. You see that milkiness? You don't want to see that in off-roading. You definitely don't want to see it in your jet ski. I blame it on Delon and Evan. I said, I was leading the pack, and then I turn around and I'm like, where are the people behind y'all?
I was just like, I'm gonna speed up and catch up, but I was like, nah, if I speed up, I'm not gonna be able to see them behind me.
No. What's so funny is that because I stopped and they kept on going. I said, well, where's the rest of the people behind you guys?